Okay, hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In the last video, we actually seasoned this thing. Now, what this is the OG pizza steel. And so here's our pizza right here, and we're gonna throw it in right now. Okay, so we got the pizza in there. We just put it in there, and we're gonna let it sit in there for, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, we're back, and here's the finished product here. I took the pizza out kind of early because I don't want to burn the cheese and pepperonis, but here's how the crust looks. Looks pretty good. There's some flour on there because I put some flour on the board here. But yeah, it looks pretty good to me. It's my first pizza on the pizza steel, on the OG pizza steel. Like I said, it looks good to me. I'm gonna slice it up and try it out. Okay, so we have our pizza here. We used the OG pizza steel to cook this pizza, and we're gonna give it a shot right now. Let's give it a shot. Oh wow. Yeah, it's not bad. Pretty good, guys. So yeah, I'll leave a link to this product, to the OG pizza steel, in the video description, so you guys can check it out. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.